Hey everybody, Mark again. As you probably know, I'm a little bit limited on what I can say on this platform now, but I have a full analysis over on my website. And I just want to show you something that Juicy Joe is looking at doing, and it's on Amazon. And so looking at Amazon, I just want to analyze the chart for you. And if you want to see the rest of how Juicy Joe is doing this trade, you can go over to the other channel. The link is below. Go to my website and you can take a look at what Juicy Joe is doing. Okay, so here is Amazon. Let's just start with, first of all, it's a beautiful lower left to upper right chart. There's not a thing wrong with Amazon from what I see as far as the chart goes. Now let's look at the fundamentals. In 2023, they made $2.90 in earnings. 2024, almost doubled that, not quite, but to $5.53, and then it just keeps going higher. The estimate for this year is $6.65, next year $7.57. So you're seeing nice blue numbers, right? Blue is just a proxy for green on this chart. And then I look over here and I say, all right, that's a pretty good earnings per share growth rate. How about quarter over quarter? Well, not as good as I'd like, only single digits down here this year, but sales continues to improve, right? Double digits. So Juicy Joe is probably going to like this one a lot. But anyway, that's how I look at the fundamentals. Return on equity, let's take a look. What is return on equity? Shows 24%, little tiny bit of debt, so that's pretty good. Those are the basics. Plus it's Amazon, institutionally supported. You probably support it. You probably do orders on that. So let's now take a look at the chart. And you can see what has happened here is a first stage base has been formed. This is a cup with handle with a breakout point right around 215. Now, what happened after that is it went didn't go up 20%. So it's basically what's called a base on base positions. Stocks should go up 20 to 25%. That's when a lot of people seem to take profits. And then it sets up another base maybe, and it goes higher or it breaks down. But in this case, it set up this beautiful cup and handle. That's a textbook cup and handle. Went down while the markets were going down, and then it shot up a bit. And now it's very steadily in this little consolidation phase, little flat base going on, about 236. It's right where Juicy Joe was telling me he was going to buy it. And so that's cool for him. Good for Juicy Joe. But this is what's called a pivot point, and this is the top of a consolidation area. Now, I always talk about doing covered calls on this channel. That's what we're all about. I'm not going to be able to talk about that today, but if you want to see the full analysis of what Juicy Joe is doing over on that other site, click on the link below, go to the web gallery that we have, and it'll show you the full breakdown of the trade. Plus, I've got an app trade that Juicy Joe is doing, so I'm going to show you all of the results for that. That's about a month-long trade going on now, not quite actually, and that seems to be going well for Juicy Joe. So if you want to see Juicy Joe's breakdowns on his trades, he gets the juice, which is the income, and there's a lot of things to learn from that. As you know, we're an educational channel. We're not here to make recommendations. This is not financial advice. This is information. But if you want to find out a little bit more, then click on the link below, and I'll see you over there. Take care. So I need to put up a legal disclosure here. I am not a financial advisor. This video is for educational purposes only. And this is entertainment, and it's not financial advice. Always do your own research before making financial decisions, and please be careful.